Want a clean glitch logo transition? Let's build it step by step in DaVinci Resolve. Drag and drop your background to the timeline. I'm using my cover photo. Then drag and drop your logo on top. Trim the logo clip to control how long it appears. Go to Inspector and adjust the logo settings to fit your style. Play it back and fine-tune anything that feels off. Now go to Effects, open Toolbox, and search Block Glitch. Drag it to the start of the logo clip. Then go to Inspector Transition and tweak the glitch settings. Next, let's add the glitch to the background. Use the blade tool and cut the cover image where you want the glitch to start and where you want it to end. Go to Effects, Toolbox, and drag Digital Glitch from Fusion Effects onto that section. Then adjust the duration by dragging the clip edges. That's it, quick, clean, and effective. Try it your way and make it on.